Hi, Robin. I'm so glad you asked. So if you're given a regular number, like for example, 5.8, or any number like that. So the big idea here is just to know what pi and 2 pi are worth. So here we're at pi, and pi is worth about 3.14, and 2 pi is worth about 6.28. And so then you can just figure out who you're closer to. So 5.8 looks like it'd be around here, and so I'm just looking for just this little section right here. And so I would take my 2 pi minus 5.8 for my reference number, and so that would in this case give me, and you can just use 6.28. 6.28 minus 5.8 is, oh, what is that about? That's 0.48. And so we could do, I'll just do, let's see, maybe one more. How about if we had, if we were given, for example, t is 4. Yeah, so then we just think about, okay, let's see, since this right here is about 3.14, so 4 would be over here. So I'm just looking for that little section right in there. And so then here I would take 4 minus pi for my reference number. And so that is about, what, 0.86 when you just plug in 4 minus 3.14. So I hope that helps. Yeah, let me know if you've got any more questions. Thanks for asking. Bye.